how to add project tasks. We'll be showing you how to add a new project task to CRM. To get started, simply click on the Projects tab and then select Project Tasks. Once you're on the Project Tasks page, click on the Add Task Plus button. You can also take advantage by using and manage task templates. Now, it's time to enter some details about your new task. Start by typing in the task name, start date, and due goal. You can also select who you want to assign the task to, as well as the project it belongs to. If you want the task to be visible to the client, simply select Yes or No. You can also choose to notify staff about the task by selecting Yes or No. Next, set the completed task percentage to reflect the progress made on the task. Finally, add any additional notes you may have about the task. When you're finished, click on the Add Task button. And just like that, your new project task has been added to your CRM and assigned to the selected staff member.
If you have any questions or queries, please feel free to talk to us or request a call back via itlens.com.